You meet two type of men. एक होते हैं बिल्कुल ही strong, alpha, yeah. What kind of leader do you want? Somebody जिसने कोई darkness नहीं देखी है? Yeah, do you want a guy maybe who went and spent like 5 years in the jungle? I'm high, I'm connecting with the universe. नहीं, ये नशेड़ी है.
Today we unlayer Manan Datta, CEO founder of Knockout Fight Club, with 15 centers pan India. His warrior like attitude, resilience, and growth mindset really sets him apart. I personally am so touched and inspired by his journey and how he overcame depression, anxiety, and made that a path to his greatness. I am so excited for you all to watch this episode.
Awesome.
ठीक है शुरू करते हैं हाँ बताओ लेट्स गो
Let's go.
लेट्स डू इट
Unlayering season 1.
And one thing I've always felt with you is that you're very, very raw and you keep it real, which is why we have you on this show because it's called Unlayering. And it's a real podcast for real people. And I thought you would fit on this couch really well because I think since I've known you over the last 20, 25 years, okay, let's not sound too old, some years that I've known you for, you've been one of the most real and raw people that I've known in my life. As a human being, as perhaps a son, as a friend, as an online virtual friend, as a DJ, everything about you is real. So tell me what makes you so real.
By the way, that's the best compliment somebody could get, that you're raw and real. क्योंकि वही सबसे ज़्यादा important है यार आज की डेट में ना. People try all sorts of things. People put on masks, people focus on getting results, and all that is fine. But if you lose who you are, if you lose your core while trying to do whatever on the planet, it's just not going to be worth it. Like you can become a king, but if you're constantly wearing masks, you will not be happy. You'll not be satisfied. So you could literally own the world and still be miserable just because you're not being yourself. What makes me raw and real, I feel, and as we get into other things, you'll hear me say this often, that it's almost like I had no option. Okay, I never chose. So me and my friends, we playfully say this sometimes. I never chose to be king. Kingship was thrust upon me. So if I don't be real, if I don't be myself, I will just fall into depression, anxiety, dissatisfaction. मेरे को बहुत खराब लगने लग जाएगा. My day-to-day experience of life will not be worth it. तो मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. I have to be like that. अब किसी को पसंद आए तो ठीक है, किसी को नहीं पसंद आए तो I don't give a fuck. हाँ.
Yeah, fair enough.
And बढ़िया चीज ये है कि it also works. It's not just कि okay, I'm being myself, I'm being real, and that's it.
Yeah.
It helps you in business. It helps you in meeting people. It helps you in 20 different things in life,
Yeah.
For example, if you're meeting people, if you're socializing, तुम अगर एक मास्क पुट ऑन करके कोई दोस्त बना लो या जो भी है, let's say you find a partner or whatever, how long will you keep that mask on?
Yeah.
कभी ना कभी तो एक ऐसा moment आएगा when you will be yourself and that person will see you like that, and then if that person doesn't like you, खत्म, everything is gone. So spirituality में जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि if you can go beyond your identity,
Yeah.
you're almost accessing a higher intelligence. अगर मैं अपनी identity में ही बहुत ज़्यादा trapped हूँ कि I need to come across a certain way,
When will
this
you
is who
connect
I
with that
am.
higher power and intelligence?
तो वो that thing consumes me completely. कि this is how I have to come across, ये वो monitor कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को, वो पूरी तरीके से मेरे को consume कर लेगा. मेरे पास space ही नहीं बचेगी mentally, mental bandwidth नहीं बचेगी. But if I can let go of that, there's like this boom, this huge amount of mental bandwidth that opens up to you.
But I remember I spoke to you and I told my roommate that I'm really worried. And she asked me, why are you worried? I said, this friend of mine I used to be really close to back in the day. He just sounds absolutely numb. Like I'm talking to him, but like, I don't know. And she said, but you're going home soon in the summer, you should meet with him. And I said, I don't know if he's going to be around. What was that? Like, what was that whole? Tell me more.
यार मैंने ना लाइफ में रॉक बॉटम देखा है. मेरी पूरी टीनेज was hell, absolute hell. So from everything, from undergoing heart surgeries to drug addiction to getting bullied, depression, anxiety, blade लेके काटना अपने आप को.
I remember. I have photos of yours, arms and.
तो बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब इंटेंस डार्कनेस थी टीनेज में. और एक्चुअली कायदे से I shouldn't be alive. I should be
I
dead.
don't know how you made it this far.
It is a miracle. मैंने
I
एक
was just
लाइन में
telling the
बोल
girls.
दिया ऐसे, बट उसकी जो इंटेंसिटी है ना, वो समझने के लिए टाइम लगेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे लोग कहते हैं ड्रग एडिक्शन की भाई पार्टी कर रहा हूं मैं, आई एम आउट चिलिंग विद पीपल हैविंग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
That
आई वाज
wasn't you.
सिटिंग अलोन इन अ बॉक्स. मुझे किसी से नहीं मिलना था. आजकल लोग सोशल एंजाइटी बोलते हैं ना, बच्चे, कि आई फील सोशल एंजाइटी. वो सोशल एंजाइटी नहीं होती है. माई सोशल एंजाइटी वाज सो सिवियर कि अगर मैंने अमेजोन से कुछ मंगाया है और वो डिलीवरी का बंदा आया है, उसने घर की घंटी बजाई है, आई एम वंडरिंग अब मैं इससे वो पैकेज कैसे लूं. हाउ डू आई लाइक फेस एक अमेजोन के डिलीवरी बॉय को एंड टेक द फकिंग पैकेज फ्रॉम हिम. इससे बोलते हैं सोशल एंजाइटी. तो इसीलिए मैं आई वेरी ओपनली से थिंग्स जो थोड़ा सा ना लोगों को पिस ऑफ कर देती हैं. कि कोई जब डिप्रेशन की बात कर रहा होता है, ट्रॉमा की बात कर रहा होता है, मैं बोलता हूँ यार शट द फक अप यार, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता. बेवजह यूज मत करो ये वर्ड्स, डिप्रेशन, ट्रॉमा वामा, ये सब रियल नहीं है. तो मैं जानबूझ के लोगों को ट्रिगर करने के लिए ऐसे बोल देता हूँ कि डिप्रेशन रियल नहीं है, साइड पे बैठो तुम. तो इतनी ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी, सोशल एंजाइटी, बुलिंग, सेल्फ हार्म, ड्रग एडिक्शन, फिजिकल वीकनेस, आइसोलेशन, ये सब देखा यार. क्योंकि आई फील द फ्यूचर लीडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आर गोइंग टू बी गुड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन. अभी क्या होता है, यू मीट टू टाइप ऑफ मैन. एक होते हैं बिल्कुल ही स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्फा, या बट कई बार उनका मॉरल कंपास ना सही नहीं होता. दूसरे हैं नाइस गाइज जो बड़े लाइक हेलो हाय, बट इट्स लाइक यार तुम टेडी बियर हो, तुम इंसान हो क्या है कुछ, मतलब लाइक व्हाट द फक इज दिस, राइट. उसको देख के एक सी आती है कभी कभी. बट आई फील द फ्यूचर ऑफ मैस्कुलिनिटी इज men who are very very strong, but they're good men, they're good men. और वो गुडनेस तभी आएगी अगर तुमने वो दर्द देखा है यार, वरना वो गुडनेस नहीं आएगी, वरना कोई एम्पैथी नहीं है.
तुझे नहीं डर लगता like what if that phase ever comes back? What if like sometimes you think about it and you feel like it feels so real and like it's been a while but like
So, good question. Yes, that stuff, that phase was very, very scary. There have been times अगर कोई ऐसे छोटे वीडियोस बना के सेव कर लेता ना, बहुत स्केरी था वो. खून निकल रहा है, मैं रोड पे लेटा हुआ हूँ, घर पे भी नहीं, कभी कभी मैं फुटपाथ पे रात को 3 बजे, आई एम 16 years old, फुटपाथ पे बैठा हुआ हूँ, खुद को काट लिया है, ड्रग्स कर रखे हैं और ऐसे लेटा हुआ हूँ, खून बह रहा है, और बीच बीच में खून लेके अपने मुंह पे ही मल लिया, क्योंकि ऐसे गॉथ वाली ट्रिप भी लेनी थी साथ में.
you
समझ रहे
were
हो,
full gone.
गॉथ वाली ट्रिप भी लेनी थी कि अब जब डार्कनेस हैज कंप्लीटली कंज्यूम्ड मी, सो माइट एज वेल सेलिब्रेट इट.
I actually have this question burning in my mind since like 5 minutes since you're talking about your childhood.
Yeah.
What is the source of this darkness? क्यों? मतलब ऐसा क्या लगा कि मैं ये करूंगा तो क्या होगा? या क्या फील हो रहा था कि ये करने का मन किया? Was it curiosity? Was it just कि कुछ है ही नहीं आगे तो ये भी कर लेते हैं? Was
देखो,
it like lack of hope?
साइकोलॉजिकली इसको बहुत अच्छे से एनालाइज किया जा सकता है और बहुत सारे आंसर्स मिल सकते हैं,
Yeah.
राइट. कि शायद आई वाजंट एबल टू फिट इन, मे बी द हार्ट सर्जरी मेड मी फील लाइक समथिंग्स रॉन्ग विद माय बॉडी, समथिंग्स रॉन्ग विद मी, आई एम ब्रोकन. तो हो सकता है मैं कुछ एस्केप ढूंढ रहा था, हो सकता है मैं कोई अटेंशन सीकिंग का मैकेनिज्म ढूंढ रहा था, मैं अपनी आइडेंटिटी ढूंढ रहा था. बहुत सारे आंसर्स मिल सकते हैं, बट द वन आई हैव चोजन इज दिस वाज माय डेस्टिनी. एंड जो आपका क्वेश्चन था कि कभी डर नहीं लगता कि व्हाट इफ यू फॉल बैक इनटू दैट, अब तो वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो सकता. दैट्स व्हाट बीइंग अ वॉरियर इज ऑल अबाउट, दैट्स व्हाट मार्शल आर्ट्स इज ऑल अबाउट. कि तुम एक ऐसे लेवल पे पहुंच जाओ वेयर your basics are taken care of. You can never fall back into the darkness. Okay. And that's bare minimum. That is bare minimum. That's a tipping point where you take responsibility for everything in your life. And you just know that, okay, my health, my responsibility. I'm going to take my body to the highest level I can. I'm going to take my mind to the highest level I can. I'm going to take my business career to the highest level I can. All of that. And I'm going to develop a good character also, right? वो एक टिपिंग पॉइंट सबको क्रॉस करना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में. वो बेसिक है बाय द वे सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट का. दैट इज वेयर सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट बिगिंस. इट्स द बिगिनिंग. बिफोर दैट इट्स ऑल लाइक आई एम फक्ड अप बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, आई एम फक्ड अप बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, आई एम फक्ड अप बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना, oh my career is down the drain because of the economy or the president or whoever
blaming
the
it
fuck.
on the environment.
Yes, yes. So power Martial arts is a lot about power, right? Like people who get into martial arts want to be powerful. Power begins by taking responsibility. तो इसीलिए वो कभी नहीं हो सकता दोबारा मेरे साथ, उस फेज में नहीं जा सकता मैं, बट वो मेरी डेस्टिनी थी, क्योंकि लाइक आई सेड देयर इज नो लाइट विदाउट डार्क.
पर तेरा डार्क
अब-
बहुत ही डार्क था
अब
यार.
देख, अब सुनो
डर
मेरी बात.
लगता था.
Let me ask you this. What kind of leader would you want in let's say a business, in an industry, or in a country, या अगर हम माइक्रो लेवल पे आ जाएं, in a household? What kind of leader do you want? Somebody जिसने कोई डार्कनेस नहीं देखी है, जो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट सा बंदा है, जिसको सब कुछ सिल्वर प्लेट पे दिया गया था, या do you want a guy maybe who went and spent like 5 years in the jungle? उसने रॉ मीट हंट करके खाया है, कभी उसकी कभी एक ऐसा भी हो गया था कि वो मरने वाला था लेकिन वो बच गया वहां से. he's got these battle scars, he's hardened, he knows the world, he knows all the evils that lurk in the world, right? And now he's chosen to take all of that experience and power and everything and use it for good. किस तरह का लीडर चाहिए बताओ?
Of course, it's
Exactly. So without the darkness, जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ लाइफ में, मैं उसके लिए क्वालिफाइड ही नहीं हूँ. कोई डिग्री, कोई कॉलेज ये सब इससे कुछ नहीं होता यार. Real life experience is what matters. So I love it. I have embraced it. Also spirituality.
Yeah.
If you believe in God, if you believe in spirituality, then everything that happens is God. So I read all religious books. I read Quran, I read Bible, I read Vedas, everything. And मैं ना patterns ढूंढता हूँ कि ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हर religion ने बोली हैं, because इसका मतलब वो तो बहुत ही profound है. One of the things that all religions say is that everything is God.
Yeah.
The good that's happening to you is God. The bad that's happening to you is God. Everything is God. So अगर आप truly spiritual हो, truly spiritual, can you look at all the bad shit that's happening to you and that's happening in the world and be like, okay, all of this is God. I embrace it.
Yeah. And do you feel it all the time while you're doing things?
हाँ, that's the goal. That's the goal. कि तुम कुछ भी कर रहे हो, तो तुम एक spiritual और religious frame से कर रहे हो. And that's the goal for two reasons. Not just because, oh wow, spirituality है. उससे तुम्हारी performance भी enhance होती है. तो for example, अगर मैं workout कर रहा हूँ and I think, okay, I'm working out to lose weight, or I'm working out to learn self-defense. Fine. वो एक level की power है. But what if I create this meaning around my exercise that every time I go and work out, that's an offering to God.
Yeah.
When I'm working out, it's an offering to God. Like, जैसे वो शिवलिंग पे दूध वगैरह चढ़ाते हैं ना, अगर मैं वो mindset से जाऊंगा and I truly believe it, how consistent will I be with my exercise? How motivated will I be with my exercise? Will I half-ass my exercise? Will I be like, oh, let's check my phone? No.
No.
I'll be fucking serious, right? So, ये इस तरीके की spirituality मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, जो आपका material world में भी performance enhance करती है. जो सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि मैं कमरे में बैठा हूँ, oh yes, I'm getting enlightened, मेरे chakras open हो रहे हैं, ये वो नहीं. Can you also be a badass?
Yeah.
Like what I always tell people is, be a monster, be capable of being a fucking animal. And then pursue spirituality, then go and get enlightened. क्योंकि अगेन मुझे दो तरह के लोग मिलते हैं, एक बिल्कुल ही हार्डन्ड मटीरियलिस्ट और खतरनाक फाइटर, ये वो डरावने टाइप के लेकिन बड़े इफेक्टिव सीईओज हो गए,
सक्सेसफुल
फाइटर्स हो गए, बड़े इफेक्टिव हैं वो लोग. दूसरे मेरे को ये स्पिरिचुअल लोग मिलते हैं जो बातें बड़ी अच्छी करते हैं, बट मैंने बोलता हूँ यार, कैन यू राइट अ मार्केटिंग प्लान? Like, can we, like, how do we do marketing for this podcast? Can we talk about, they're like, we'll just manifest it. We'll just manifest the views on you. मैंने कहा यार, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार. Make a marketing plan. तो ये, this is true spirituality.
Yeah.
Yin yang, उसको तुम दोनों चीजों को बैलेंस करो. इस टाइम पे दुनिया में हमारी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और जो भी हमें नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाने के लिए करना है ऑन द प्लैनेट, रिलीजन एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज द आंसर. वी नीड टू ब्रिंग दैट बैक. हमारी जनरेशन ने ना उसको we discarded it. We were like, fuck this shit. क्योंकि और we have our reasons. उसको ना मिसयूज भी कर रहे थे कुछ लोग. So we sort of rebelled against it कि तुम ये रिलीजन के नाम पे ऐसे लड़ाइयाँ करा रहे हो, लोगों को सप्रेस कर रहे हो. So we had to rebel against it. But we threw the baby out with the bathwater. तो उसमें इतने gems हैं, and I feel to heal the world, to take things to the next level, we need to bring back religion and spirituality in everything. Imagine all business leaders as spiritual people, but not the passive spiritual people, the animal, savage spiritual people. Imagine all country leaders like that. Imagine lovers like that. Imagine school teachers like that.
Life would be
college professors
beautiful.
like that. And the world will change. That is the key.
Yeah.
That is the key for the world right now.
There's so much energy in your eyes, you know, when you say things like monster, animal, powerful, leader, and you're like, मुझे जहाँ जाना है उसके लिए मुझे ये चाहिए. कहाँ जाना है? I want to know, where do you want to go? What
That's a good question.
what are you preparing for? Like, it's crazy. It's like you're just preparing every day. It's
सोच समझ के
absolutely
पूछ
nuts.
तुझे भी ले जाएंगे अपने साथ.
I want to go there too, honestly. I'm down.
ये ले जाते हैं ऐसे लोगों
Preparation
को.
करनी पड़ेगी.
करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे? यही वाली आंखों के साथ, इंटेंसिटी के साथ करेंगे.
I think I'm just preparing. It's not really a preparation for something external. I'm just trying to become the best version of myself. I'm just trying to move up
Yeah.
as a consciousness, as a human being. And every next level requires a different kind of transformation. But there are these two energies, right, that dance with each other. The universe is made of these two energies. So as you go up, you have to enhance both of them. That's what I mean. But at the same time, the external and internal are reflections of each other. तो अगर हम बाहर की भी बात करें, let's say expanding business or having an impact on the world, that also requires you to uplift yourself in both ways. You need to become more savage,
Yeah.
more beastly. And I'm using these words, savage, beastly. What I mean is like you need to be very effective in the world.
Yeah.
कि तुम अगर स्पिरिचुअल हो रहे हो तो ऐसा नहीं कि तुम मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजें तुम भूल ही गए हो कैसे होता है कि एक बोर्ड रूम कैसे चलता है, एक कंपनी कैसे चलती है,
Yeah.
पॉलिटिक्स कैसे होती है,
Yeah.
ये सब चीजें लाइक यू वांट टू बी एबल टू हैव एन इम्पैक्ट राइट इन द मटेरियल वर्ल्ड. दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन कि ये दोनों एनर्जीज को हमें साथ साथ लेके चलना है, ऊपर लेके जाना
पर लेके चलना है.
Yeah.
And like you mentioned, like I can't stop thinking about the fact when he said that बाहर कोई बंदा डिलीवरी के लिए खड़ा है पर उसको नहीं पता कि मुझे social anxiety हो रही है. What do you do when you're alone? What is the thought when that guy is coming to deliver a package? I okay, can I tell you? I feel like people, and including me, that's something that I have realized. Maybe you can educate me more. So I had a bit of social anxiety, but I've just been a very quiet person. मुझे जरूरत नहीं लगती बोलने की. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अब इस उम्र में I'm closer to my 30s, मैं कहीं ना एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाई उस बात को और मैं चेंज करती हूँ when I'm just feeling very powerful. I'm trying to defeat that feeling of being weak. I didn't accept it well. Do you know what I mean? So because it's like so much power, sometimes you're trying to fight your own demons and you feel like with power I can fight it. And it's just internal. Do you feel that? Did you not accept
you're
that
talking
part
about
of you?
it's very intelligent question. You're talking about एक बहुत ही subtle phenomena है.
Yeah.
और यार मैं हंस इसलिए रहा हूँ because मेरी लाइफ इतनी my life is a trip, man.
बताओ क्या
It's a
ट्रिप है?
trip.
Virtual trip.
So to overcome social anxiety,
Yeah.
I had to do things like give myself challenges that, okay, I'm
Yeah.
going to go out on the road, stop random people, talk to random people. Little social challenges, ठीक है? And imagine like सिर्फ किसी को हाय हेलो बोलने के लिए ऐसे बॉडी कांप रही है सर से लेके पांव तक. बहुत फक्ड अप था यार, बहुत फक्ड अप. तो वो किया, ठीक है, वीडियोस भी किए, लीडरशिप भी करी, बड़ी बड़ी चीजें भी करी, अपनी इंडस्ट्री में टॉप पे जाके सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ भी इंटरेक्ट किया. लेकिन एक पॉइंट तक तो वो सही था, इट वर्क राइट. अब उसके बाद क्या हो जाता है, स्पिरिचुअलिटी में ना एक चीज होती है अटैचमेंट एंड अवर्जन. तो मतलब क्या है कि you've become so used to fighting this demon that now every time you're in a room or every time you're in a situation where those triggers are present, where social things are present, you feel you need to do something. You feel you need to do something.
This urge.
Yeah, there's this urge to like behave a certain way,
To defeat it.
to defeat the demon, because that's how you came out of hell.
Yeah.
कि तुम वहां होते हो, and क्योंकि वो एक सालों तक एक string था where I had to constantly fight, and I was getting better, right? तो अब वो खत्म हो गया level. That level is done now. I can scream and shout and talk, and वो हो गया. अब I need to learn to relax and be myself. Okay, relax. And so I wrote down some affirmations, relaxation, carefreeness, and
Yeah.
couple of things like that. क्योंकि मैं वो इतने हाइपर मोड में था ना,
Yeah.
लड़ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि लड़ता नहीं तो मर जाता, suicide.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो लड़ रहे
And
हैं,
you were close to it many
Yeah.
times.
So had I not, there is no way out of it ना. अगर आपको मैं एक जंगल में डाल दूं जहाँ टेररिस्ट हैं और हर बंदा आपको मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है, how do you get out of that jungle? By sitting and thinking about love. जो अभी हम पहले भी बात कर रहे थे कि how do you stop fighting? How do you stop finally reacting to your triggers, right? लाइफ में ना अलग अलग लेवल्स होते हैं. So I think bottom पे होता है shame and guilt. ये वो वाले लेवल्स हैं जहाँ पे इंसान अपने आप को मार सकता है कि तुम इतने अशेम्ड हो किसी चीज को लेके दैट यू किल योरसेल्फ, राइट? शेम एंड गिल्ट के थोड़ा सा अगर आप ऊपर जाओ तो आता है ग्रीफ एंड सैडनेस. नाउ एंड उसके बीच में आता है एपैथी. फिर आता है ग्रीफ एंड सैडनेस. तो ये लेवल्स में ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? क्योंकि लेट्स से समबडी डाइज, किसी की फैमिली में किसी की डेथ हो जाती है, अगर वो इंसान बिल्कुल ऐसे साइलेंट बैठा है तो वी गेट स्केयर्ड, राइट? द पर्सन इज इन शॉक. बट इफ द पर्सन स्टार्ट्स क्राइंग, वी फील कि ओके, अब ये एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है क्या हुआ है. सो एपैथी के ऊपर ग्रीफ आती है. इसीलिए जो लोग डिप्रेस्ड होते हैं वो ऐसे पड़े होते हैं, बस दे नॉट इवन क्राइंग. इफ यू आर फकिंग क्राइंग, दैट्स हेल्दी, इट्स रियली हेल्दी.
Yeah.
सो ये लेवल्स हैं, ठीक है? अब हम ग्रीफ पे आ गए हैं. ग्रीफ के ऊपर आता है डिजायर, फियर, एंगर. ये वॉरियर एनर्जी जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं तो बिल्कुल शेम के नीचे से उठ के आया हूँ, राइट? मैंने ये पूरी जर्नी करी है फ्रॉम बीइंग क्लोज टू डाइंग. धीरे धीरे शेम, फिर गिल्ट, फिर एपैथी, ड्रग्स, जस्ट नम, फिर ग्रीफ कि मैं विक्टिम हूं, कितनी खराब है लाइफ, फिर फाइनली लेट्स फाइट, फक दिस शिट, लेट्स विन. तो अब उसकी आदत पड़ चुकी है बहुत सालों से. आई एम addicted to that, to
What was
fighting.
that moment where you felt, okay, fine, let's fight? Do you remember that instance in your life where you said, okay, now that's it. I want to give it one chance.
I don't think it happens like that.
Yeah.
I don't think it's like one instance like that.
Yeah.
I think it's धीरे 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 धीरे, जैसे पानी बॉयल होता है ना, तो वो जिस मोमेंट पे बॉयल होता है हमें लगता है बॉयल हो गया है, बट वो धीरे 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 सर्कमस्टेंसेस क्रिएट होते हैं.
Yeah.
तो and there's this great saying that only when the pain of staying the same is more than the pain of change will you move your ass and change. So for me it was like, what else will I do? Will I now die or become a complete retard just walking on the streets talking to imaginary people because my mind has been blown away by drugs? I'd reached that point, right? So I guess another way to answer your question is that I had hit rock bottom. तो AA में, Alcoholics Anonymous में, they have this thing that कभी कभी क्या होता है when people hit rock bottom ना, तो एक window of opportunity आती है, तब उन्हें आप transform कर सकते हैं.
Sorry, I'm just going back again into your past. But while you were going through that rock bottom stage of yours, your family was around you, right? I mean, you never felt कि अच्छा ठीक, if I'm in this state, what would they be feeling? Or looking at their faces, did you feel that अच्छा नहीं, this is the reason why I need to get out of it? Or if your mother would see you lying down on the road with your nerves cut and blood on your face, how would she feel? Like that emotional aspect that probably you had shut
इतनी
down.
wisdom अगर मेरे में होती तो मैं ये सब करता ही नहीं ना. ये बहुत high level की, what you're talking about is empathy.
Yeah.
That is a really high level thing. Somebody who's fucking themselves up completely, cutting themselves, taking drugs. Do you think they understand any of this? Not at all. जो आपका रिश्ता आपके खुद के साथ है पहले, वही आगे एक्सटेंड करेगा दुनिया में. तो अगर मेरा खुद का रिलेशनशिप अपने साथ इतना फक्ड अप है कि मैं आई एम फकिंग माई सेल्फ एवरी डे विद ड्रग्स एंड दिस एंड दैट एंड कटिंग, तो मैं किसी और के साथ क्या ही अच्छा कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश कर लूंगा. और जो आप बोल रहे हो एम्पैथी, दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ गुड कनेक्शन विद अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो जब मेरा खुद के साथ नहीं है, किसी और के साथ कैसे हो सकता है?
Because a lot of times, I mean, I feel like I'm that person who will not think about myself, but I will always think about what the person in front of me is feeling. So that is something that drives me. If I'm at my lowest phase or whatever, like you said, we'll ask each other this question, ki, how do you bounce back?
Yeah, I'd love to get everybody's
Yeah,
take
so
on that.
if I'm
What
at
do you do
my,
on your worst days?
I just look at my dad,
You look at your
my father,
okay.
right? I'm sitting, crying, not eating, just locked up in my room. And if I see my dad's face after a long day at work, after fighting all those battles with 10,000 people, he's back and smiling. And he's just waiting for that smile from me. Ki she will smile and my day is complete. And if I'm crying, I know that my tears will have a negative effect on him. My tears will break him. So that gives me the strength. Ki niklo. So that kind of empathy is something that I need to drive myself. What was your trigger that made you switch? Like how you got into reading. कैसे हुआ? क्योंकि it's not normal for a person जो इतना ऐसे stage में है to have that sudden drive in him.
Desire.
And where
Desire.
did that fire come from?
So when you are in a fucked up state, and you're sad and you don't want to do anything, if you can find a way कि भाई this is not good for me anymore, this is not satisfying me, this is causing pain to me, if you can start realizing that, and at the same time you have something to move towards, so you have a feeling that you want to move away from and you have a feeling that you want to move towards. So I think मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, somewhere in my early 20s I started realizing like what is this sick shit कि like, and this is not a very, so you have to understand, for me it was not a very ऐसे wisdom वाली realization कि oh wow, I realize now that this is unhealthy behavior and healthy. It wasn't like that, okay? It was very raw and immature in nature. The language in a 22-year-old guy's head is not like healthy behavior. And it's like, are you a loser? Are you a fucking pussy? Like, what the fuck is this? That's what works for a 22-year-old man. Something else may work for a 22-year-old woman, you know? So, मेरे लिए, it was like I started getting those thoughts. And then दूसरी side, it was like, bro, you could make money. You could do something in life. You could have a hot girlfriend. You could. This is what motivates us, right?
Yeah.
Money, romance, having a nice significant other. You could do all of that. And you are this. And कल को, so martial arts का भी angle ले लेते हैं बीच में. तेरी लड़ाई हो गई अगर कल को, तू चल रहा है कहीं रोड पे, तेरी लड़ाई हो गई 2 लोगों से, तू क्या करेगा? भैया सॉरी मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ. या लेट्स से तेरी बहन तेरे साथ चल रही है, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरे साथ चल रही है और 4 लोग आ गए और वो उसको तंग कर रहे हैं, तो तू क्या करेगा? बातें करेगा उनसे?
Pepper
Like
spray.
bro, just take it easy bro. Like पेपर स्प्रे काम नहीं करता इतनी आसानी से unless
नहीं.
you're trained. थप्पड़ मारेगा कोई पेपर स्प्रे उड़ता हुआ जाएगा.
Hmm.
So and by the time you take it out of your bag,
It's a
have you ever?
process.
अच्छा एक पेपर स्प्रे से इंटरेस्टिंग साइड नोट.
मेरे पास थी एक, मैंने कभी यूज नहीं की. लेकिन
एग्जैक्टली. सो मैं जितने भी लोगों के पास पेपर स्प्रे होता है, मैंने उन्हें बोला कि कभी तुमने ऐसी हवा में चलाया इसको? They're like never. तो तुम फर्स्ट टाइम बिल्कुल परफेक्ट चला लोगे अंडर स्ट्रेसफुल कंडीशंस. कोई तुम पे अटैक कर रहा है, तुमने आज तक कभी देखा भी नहीं, फील भी नहीं किया उसको कि जब दबाते हैं तो क्या होता है. वियर्ड. तो पेपर स्प्रे ट्रेनिंग हम देते हैं नॉकआउट में.
हाँ.
हम देते हैं. बेसिक चीज तो यही है कि कोई पेड़ पे जाके किसी टारगेट पे जाके उसे 5-6 बार चला तो लो, पता चले कोई तुम्हें अटैक कर रहा है, you're like oh shit, it's not, wait, let me unlock it.
आपने
मेरी
मुंह पे ही
ऐसा
कर
होगा.
दिया.
होगी शायद.
So a lot of like self-defense teachers don't know what they're doing. Anyway, yeah, so coming back to that, तो वही है यार. कभी कभी ना ये थोड़ी सुनने में बड़ी rugged लगती हैं ये approaches कि we want a very fancy polished answer to things. कि the way to get out of addiction and this is to do this meditation, do this and boom, you're done. But sometimes the answers are a little rugged. क्योंकि तुम खुद इतनी गंदी जगह में हो, इतनी डार्कनेस में हो कि वहां से निकलने का तरीका भी थोड़ा डार्क ही होएगा.
What is your
That's-
relationship with death? Does it scare you?
Not at all. I love death. I mean, like,
Yeah.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. What scares
कोई
me?
issue नहीं है.
कोई issue नहीं. Death से क्यों डरना है यार?
Yeah.
ऐसा क्या है इस लाइफ में जो इतना अमेजिंग है?
ऐसे तो मजे
Yeah.
हमारा
मजे तो आ रहे
podcast
हैं.
है.
हमें तो मजे आ रहे हैं.
It's nice. It's fun.
Yeah.
Right? It's fun. It's like we're in a playground and we're having fun. We're running
Yeah.
around with children.
Yeah.
तो मेरे को डर नहीं लगता, मेरे को डर लगता है डिसफंक्शनैलिटी से, कि ऐसा ना हो जाए कभी कि मैं पैरालाइज हो गया हूँ, या मेरा दिमाग नहीं काम कर रहा ठीक से, या इन चीजों से मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है. आई से दैट्स अ लॉजिकल फियर, क्योंकि और भी फियर्स होते हैं इंसान के दिमाग में ना, बट वो लॉजिकल नहीं होते हैं कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में, व्हाट इफ नोबडी लाइक्स मी, व्हाट इफ आई एंड अप अलोन, व्हाट इफ माय बिजनेस डाइज. बट दीज आर इलॉजिकल फियर्स. द चांसेस ऑफ देम हैपनिंग आर वेरी लेस, 0.1%. और हो भी जाएगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, एक बिजनेस बनाया और बना लेंगे. चार लोग, if 4 people hate me, I'll go and find other people who like me. So back, most fears, this is a good topic to touch upon. Most fears and most things that hold people back are not real. They're imaginary. They're fucking imaginary. People are not taking action on their dreams because of things that don't even exist.
Because you talk about so much power, strength, and it sort of shows in your eyes. And sometimes I feel like the journey of a person just shows in their eyes when they say a certain word, because they're not saying it, they're actually feeling it. So, people who have very expressive eyes are very emotional. Do you think you're an emotional person? Because you're very tough. But मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि you're very, very emotional.
Yes, I am. I'm extremely emotional. पर वो जो eyes वाली आप बात कर रहे हो ना, that the thing that happens is, in martial arts, techniques are obviously present. There are 10,000, 20,000 techniques that one can learn. But what is superior to techniques, not just in martial arts, but in other areas of life as well, is your state of being. Okay? So, for example, if there is somebody who's a black belt, but they don't know how to tap into switched on aggression, they're always a little too laid back. If they fight with somebody who's not at their level technically, but knows how to tap into like a lot of aggression on command, the black belt will lose. So states of being are always superior to techniques.
I would hear about these drugs from you, and I used to see, your response after that, what some hallucinations, some conversations we had. And I feel drugs affected your mind to a point where I didn't think it was. Forget bouncing back. Now the way your brain is engineered and you're training people for martial arts, तू
Oh, it's a
उधर
miracle,
से
man. Oh,
यहाँ पर
shit.
पहुंचा
I
है.
should have been like this. Okay, this is what I should have been like, actually.
Right.
That's it. Say something to me. Say hi, hello, how are you?
Hi, what's up?
Hi.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's
How many years ago?
this is what I should have been like. कायदे से ऐसे ही होना चाहिए था. Drugs definitely had a very bad impact on my mind. आजकल लोग बहुत करते हैं recreation, psychedelics, spirituality में भी बहुत drugs हैं. Sure, there is a place for that, I think, in spirituality. अगर तुम once in a blue moon एक ceremony की तरह, एक ritual की तरह कर रहे हो, maybe, ठीक
Like
है?
bhang or something.
हाँ, like भांग हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया. बट अगर तुम एक ceremonial way में कर रहे हो, और once, keywords, once in a blue moon, you can't be having a ceremony every Tuesday.
Yeah.
It's my spiritual, I'm high, I'm connecting with the universe. नहीं, ये तो shady है. हाँ, तो be real ना फिर कम से कम. लेकिन मैं addiction के बारे में एक बड़ी crazy चीज बताता हूँ. So addiction जो है, कोई भी चीज बुरी जो आपके साथ हो रही है ना, वो एक गिफ्ट है. अगर आप उसको अनपैक कर लो या अनलेयरिंग कर लो उस गिफ्ट की, ठीक है? तो एडिक्शन जो है,
Plus 100 for
थोड़ा
Manan
सा
for
अगर तुम,
layering.
हाँ, अगर तुम एडिक्शन की बस थोड़ी सी सुई यहाँ से उठा के यहाँ कर लो, तो हाउ अबाउट यू गेट एडिक्टेड टू फिटनेस?
Wow.
बहुत केमिकल्स निकलते हैं यार. एक मतलब स्टडीज हैव बीन डन that show clearly कि a nice session in the gym releases the same chemicals that an antidepressant does.
Correct.
तो तुम उधर डाल दो ना. How about you get addicted to money? ऐसे कमाते हैं unlimited. How about you get addicted to helping people? Somebody who's an addict has a superpower. If they just take that addiction and use it to become successful, become fit. मेरे लिए अब next level है to learn to relax and flow.
Yeah.
That is from right now. I am trying to get the parasite out. Calm down. You don't need to fight. It's no fight.
You've talked about different levels. Like, I'm sure these are not set levels per se, right? These are the levels you've set for yourself in your own mind. So, okay, like, how do you have so much clarity? Ki pehle ye level, then this level, then this, and that. Like, how have you marked these levels? Like,
So थोड़ा सा subjective भी है ये, but ये objective भी है. अगर आप study करो in depth religions की, और in depth let's say आप doctors की, professors की study करो, people who have looked at spirituality, looked at religions and tried to view it from a scientific lens. There are many studies, many books that will give you this map. The exact same map that I just spoke about. I'll say it again. Guilt, shame at the bottom. Grief after that. Anger, desire, fear after that. Okay. And as I say these words, notice there is a rising in the energy. What is guilt and shame? That's death. What is apathy? Close to death. What is grief? Little more energy. Okay, I'm crying now. What is anger and desire? Let's go. But it's still very stressful. Like, let's go. Like, I can't stop. I'm there right now. I need to stop. So, yeah. So then comes this is again a tipping point here. Then comes relaxation and flow. Okay. Then comes stuff like intelligence, love. Because true intelligence is here only. Everything you're doing at the anger stage where I am is not really intelligence, even though sometimes I do come across as an intelligent person. But true intelligence is अभी ऊपर है वो एक अलग ही, फिर जब मिलेंगे 10 साल बाद I'll be a new person. तो ये जो है, जो मैप है ना, ये है थोड़ा सा, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है. अगर आप स्टडी करो रिलीजन्स की और इन सब चीजों की, तो आपको यही मैप मिलेगा. और मेरे को ये मैप पता है क्यों पसंद है, क्योंकि स्पिरिचुअलिटी ना बहुत एब्स्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है. जब तुम रिलीजन और स्पिरिचुअलिटी की किसी से बात करो कि हम तुम्हें ग्रो कराएंगे या हम तुम्हें अपलिफ्ट करेंगे, वो कई बार इतना एब्स्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है कि यार वो ठीक नहीं है. प्रोग्रेस कैसे मार्क करेंगे हम? और लोग उस एब्स्ट्रैक्शन में ही खुश हैं कि हाँ, I took 10 deep breaths today, I feel so good. भाई प्रॉब्लम्स तो अभी भी वही है ना तेरी. तूने मेडिटेट कर लिया 30 मिनट, लेकिन व्हाट अबाउट योर प्रॉब्लम्स? यू आर नॉट चेंजिंग एनीथिंग, यू आर स्टिल द सेम टॉक्सिक पर्सन बाय द टाइम इट्स इवनिंग. तो या
Yeah.
तो ये आई रियली लाइक दिस मैप, बिकॉज अब तुम थोड़ा देख भी सकते हो कि जो मैं स्पिरिचुअल काम कर रहा हूँ अपने ऊपर, उसका रिजल्ट क्या मिल रहा है मुझे लाइफ में. और लोगों का ना एक सेट वाइब्रेशन स्टेट होता है. लोग कई बार अलग अलग एरियाज में लाइफ में अलग अलग उस पे वाइब्रेट करते हैं. लाइक मे बी इन बिजनेस आई कुड बी एट करेज, न्यूट्रलिटी, फ्लो. मे बी इन socializing and friends and family, I am at let's say fear, right? तो अलग अलग एरियाज में लोग अलग अलग उस पे वाइब्रेट भी करते हैं. बट एक एवरेज इंसान का एक सेट स्टेट हो जाता है. सो माई सेट स्टेट इज एंजाइटी, वरी एंड स्ट्रेस. दैट्स माई सेट स्टेट. अब मैं उसको चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो उसका ऑपोजिट, one of the best ways to just change your set state and shift your life completely is to first discover what your current set state is, and then just think of the fucking opposite. What is the opposite of worry? Carefree. What is the opposite of anxiety? Relaxed.
Chill, calm,
Yeah.
relaxed.
And then I added the word fun to it, like having fun,
Yeah, enjoying the process.
enjoying whatever is happening.
Yeah.
So this is the work that I feel everybody should be doing.
When you have those bad days, yeah, things sometimes look like they're falling apart in small ways, big ways. So, I want to know, like, as a fighter, as a warrior, as a human, as Manandatta, as the founder of, Knockout Fight Club, how do you fight that and restart?
Cool. I'll answer that, and I'd love for you all to also answer this because this is a great question. And
It's not scripted, I promise.
and people can learn from this. Anybody who's going through something can maybe pick up something from me, something from you,
and that's the idea of this podcast.
yeah, and like have an arsenal of things that they can use to deal with their bad days. For me, it goes back to becoming a warrior. एक बार तुमने वो पॉइंट क्रॉस कर लिया जब तुम बोलते हो कि नथिंग कैन ब्रेक मी. कुछ भी हो रहा हो, नथिंग कैन ब्रेक मी. ठीक है, आई कैन हैव अ बैड डे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, आई विल से फक ऑफ टू द वर्ल्ड फॉर वन डे, आई विल गो गेट ड्रंक और व्हाटएवर, बट द नेक्स्ट डे back to the grind, back to the hustle, go to the gym, work on something, make money, Go and get like a nice love life, get a partner, whatever you want. If you're not ready for something serious, go have some fun, do whatever you want, get some action. So, so, um, and go experience some fun shit. Like go do some adventurous stuff. Go jump out of a plane. Go take a dip in the river somewhere. And if you don't do this, na, तो थोड़ा सा be hard on yourself. उस स्टेट में अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट मत करो कि तुम बैठे हुए हो, तुम विक्टिम हो ना, ग्रीफ। तो मैं तो शेम कर देता हूँ सीधा लोगों को कि तू ये क्या कर रहा है, तू यहाँ बैठ के किस लिए रो रहा है, तेरे को लड़की ने छोड़ दिया, तेरे बैंक में कितने पैसे हैं ये बता मेरे को, क्या चल रहा है, लाइक व्हाट इज दिस डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी शिट, क्यों भाई क्यों, कुछ कर ले अपनी जिंदगी में, मोटा कैसे हो रखा है,
सिंपैथी क्यों ढूंढ रहा है?
मोटा कैसे हो रखा है तू, जिम जा सबसे पहले तो, सो यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग।
Yeah.
या मेड के पिज्जा खा के रो रहा है तू?
हाँ, तो मेरे लिए वही है कि अब देयर इज नो गोइंग बैक, मैं वो कर नहीं सकता, क्या करूंगा मैं, बैठ के एक शीशे के आगे रोऊंगा या ड्रग एडिक्ट बन जाऊंगा। तो मैंने ना, अब जैसे हम स्पिरिचुअलिटी में ईगो को डीमोनाइज करते हैं कि ईगो इज बैड, आई थिंक ईगो इज फैंटास्टिक, इट इज द बेस्ट लिटिल पेट टू हैव। आई हैव सो मच ईगो अराउंड बीइंग इन कंट्रोल, अराउंड बीइंग पावरफुल, कि मैं अगर माल पीने लग जाऊं ना, मैं तो अपने आप को ऐसे शीशे में देख के बोलूंगा अबे चूतिए, तो इट विल जस्ट लाइक आई कैन नॉट लुक एट दैट।
या
सो मैंने शेम को इतना ज्यादा एसोसिएट कर दिया है उन बिहेवियर्स के साथ कि मैं वहां जा ही नहीं सकता। इफ आई पुट डायमंड्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव डायमंड्स, एंड आई से रन टुवर्ड्स देम,
पिंक डायमंड,
sure, I don't know anything about diamonds, but sure, versus I unleash a wolf behind you and the wolf is chasing you and you have to run away from the wolf. In which situation do you think you'll run faster? When you're running away from a wolf to save your life, or when you're running towards diamonds?
Obviously.
So negative conditioning. That it ties back to when I say fear is amazing, anxiety is amazing, depression is amazing, sadness is amazing. Fucking take it and use it. It's your fuel.
या
But can I just be honest? I have a feeling that when you condition yourself so much to become so hard all the damn time, how is it possible to just be? मतलब मैंने कुछ नहीं विन किया आज, पर कोई बात नहीं, मैं लेजीनेस, मुझे ऐसे लगता है, and it's crazy because you've mentioned it so many times. The first question I wrote for you, I went through your entire Instagram page, and the first question is that you've done all of this at the age of 32, and you have all of that. Can you just be 34? Can you just be? Can you relax? Can you chill? And it doesn't
तो मैंने
have to
बोला
be
ना,
like
वही
a
तो सीख रहा हूँ मैं अब।
losing situation. But
That's
so
the next step for me.
how will you condition your mind to, because I feel like you've conditioned your mind a lot to reach here ke ye ऐसा नहीं तो ऐसा नहीं तो ऐसा, you've taught yourself to be this guy that you
That's
are,
a great question, yaar.
you know.
You guys are really amazing at this, by the way. And I'm not just saying that. I've been on a lot of podcasts, but you guys are really dope at this. The answer to that question is we have control muscles and we have release muscles. Control muscles are what you need when, let's say, you can't stop yourself from eating junk food or getting high, in
Yeah.
my case,
और ड्रिंकिंग डाइट कोक.
or doing something fucked up. That's when you need control muscles. The release muscles are what you need when you're at my stage. So I need to learn to let go, just release, just be, flow. देखते हैं क्या होता है. If you're on a boat, you can row the boat with a lot of energy, or you can be on a motor boat where you just adjust the rudder a little bit,
हाँ.
right? Like I don't overthink, but maybe here and there I can just set an intention
Yeah.
that okay, today I'm gonna do this, or in this group I'm gonna do this. I just set an intention and then let it be. The boat will take me towards the destination on its own.
Yeah, because when you're free, you just have to let go and you're not in control.
Yeah.
And you're this guy who's in control 24/7, 365 every second. I, according to me, feel that maybe you fear not being in control.
Yeah.
Do you think that at some point that affects? Because I personally, when you were talking about shame and guilt, you were feeling it. But when you were talking about love, you paused for a second. Do you feel that there is that's a zone that you haven't? Do you feel hurt very easily?
बिल्कुल.
Do you get hurt? Because I feel
do.
जो बहुत
do.
टफ होते हैं ना, वो बहुत इमोशनल होते हैं, और वो इतने इमोशनल होते हैं और वो इतने हर्ट होते हैं, तो वो अपने आप को टफ बना लेते हैं. because उनको पता ही नहीं, because at least अब हम hurt तो नहीं होंगे. And love is like a space where it's very vulnerable and you have to be like that all the time.
You nailed it. You're absolutely right. That's where I am. I'm
And
afraid
how
of
do
it.
you are?
Yeah, 100%.
It's crazy that the guy is so strong. Is like nahi aata, you know?
And I'll tell you something. This is not even true strength.
Yeah.
This is just me. This is what I have done to get out of hell.
This is what
This
you
is a
need.
mountain climber. This is not even strength. This is somebody climbing out of hell. True strength. So the world exists in opposites, right? Like we said, dark and light.
Yeah.
True strength का opposite क्या है? Vulnerability. So I'll only be truly strong when I'm okay with being fully vulnerable.
Fully vulnerable.
So अभी तो मैं, I don't even think I have tapped into my full strength, full potential. And I have a little card in my pocket right now. Here, you want to read it out? So read this and then flip it around.
What would it take for you to forget all of your troubles? Are you willing to simply forget all your troubles today? When you remove your attention from a problem, it gets bored and it moves away.
Yeah.
I think you should just embrace your problems. So then they're not your problems anymore. They become your best friends.
I like that.
You never hit, yeah. Because I feel like if you remove them, you're still running.
You're
You can
still
just be
reacting to
here
them.
and look, and it's fine. And they're
Yeah.
like your lover.
Yeah.
You know, that's what according
Yeah.
to me. When you were a child and when you were going through all that, आपके ना दिमाग में एक शायद एक हीरो था कि अगर मैं वो इस बंदे के लिए वो एक हीरो है और मुझे वो बनना है, because then you might just overcome all of that. I had that. Like when I was very quiet and I was spoke, and I always thought that मुझे ना वो बनना है, वो बन गई ना तो फिर ये प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होगी. मुझे ऐसे लगता है. But that worked for me. But what eventually worked for me was
Did you become
this
that
is also
person? That hero?
for a bit, but I just love my inner child. Like when I accepted who I was when I was 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, I became the hero. Because actually that person was the hero for me, you know. So I felt so much intensity in this episode and I felt so much energy and it was like so amazing and it could just go on seamlessly.
Yeah, this is what I need to learn though. Everything you just spoke about. How do you tap into that flow state, you know?
You don't tap, you just stay. You only, I feel like, you know, when you say people are masking,
Hmm.
maybe you've masked so much strength
Hmm.
that it's so hard to tap
I don't
into
even
that
know what is
child.
the mask, what is me.
Yeah,
It's
you
like
Yeah.
that.
So who
Like,
are
what is
you?
me?
Like, pata hi nahi na, because this version is the made up hero version of you, which is so cool though.
My last words, I think, one would be, I think, considering that I've known him for more than half my life, I think I'm super, super, super proud, to say the least, of how far he's come. And I think more than that, um, I think excited would also be a small word. I think I'm super ecstatic. Ecstasy is the word I learned from him. So I'm super ecstatic to see where he's going, because I think we all know he's going places, but I think he's going somewhere much beyond, which I can foresee from the little intuitive gut feeling that I have. And I think I'm already training my body in numerous ways. But after this episode ends, I think I want to get associated with him and Knockout to train my mind, because I think there's still a lot of work that needs to be done there. I don't think training the body is the hard part, but I think training the mind is the harder part, especially with someone like me who's always bubbling with energy, who gets affected by energy, who has dreams which are almost beyond reach and unachievable. I think I want to start training my mind with him, and I'm glad we've reconnected through this episode and through Unlayering, because I'm also excited about where he takes us. So yeah, that's a little bit from me.
Thank you. I am so glad to reconnect with you as well.
I think from the minute that you walked into the room, the whole energy changed. Like that whole warrior energy is what you brought here. And I think I will be taking that energy back with me, because, like I said, ki I'm on that transformational journey wherein I know what I want to be, but I didn't know how I had to achieve that. But I think somewhere today you've given that direction you've given that goal setting, the roadmap. I think in more ways than you know. And yeah, I think वो जो goal setting है different stages का, that I will implement in my life, and I'm sure कि कहीं ना कहीं तो पहुंच ही जाऊंगी.